Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Good morning! Every day of your life is a gift from God. Be grateful for this precious gift of life and spend it by being as happy and as thankful as you possibly can. Let your mind dwell on the good things which have happened. Let gratitude be your attitude. Oh, it's so good to sleep in, but it's time to get up as I am so excited for today. Oops, before anything else, I have to fix myself first. Don't mind my PJ and my hair. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Perfect for the outdoor activity. Are you guys ready? Let's do it! This Japanese egg sandwich or Tamago Sando are the Japanese take on egg salad sandwiches with a flavorful egg salad made with Japanese mayonnaise sandwiched between milk bread. It has comforting taste and texture that makes it one of the most popular sandwiches in Japan. Are you ready? Let's go! Woohoo! Oops! Wrong location. We need to cross Golden Gate Bridge. Let's go! There you go! Isn't it amazing? This is where we're gonna make our Japanese 7-Eleven egg salad sandwich Tamago Sando recipe. And of course, the more fresh air you get, the more oxygen you will breathe, which will increase the amount of serotonin, the happy hormone, you inhale, consequently making you happier. Let's begin with 4 hard-boiled eggs. I like using fork and knife, an easy way to crush the eggs. I can't exactly say if the chicken was created before the egg. All I know is there has to be an explanation. Another thing, what do you do when you are too excited to speak? Exclaim. Next, let's add 3 tablespoons of KEWPIE mayonnaise. KEWPIE mayonnaise is the king of mayonnaises. It's so freaking good. It's creamier and richer in taste. Moving on, let's add 1 tablespoon of DIJON mustard. Mix well together. Next, let's add 1/2 teaspoon of white ground pepper, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is looking great, and for sure it will taste excellent, right? And lastly, let's add 1 tablespoon of whole milk. This is optional. Let's also cut the soft-boiled eggs in half. The yolk should be nice and yummy, so it's important to use a sharp knife. Place 1 slice of sandwich bread, SHOKUPAN, or you can even use a buttermilk bread. Oops, you gotta be kidding me. I have a guess here. What did the chill pigeon say? Cuckoo. Going back to our Japanese egg sandwich, let's add butter. Then, spread the egg salad mixture. Then add the halved eggs. Place the second slice of bread over the first and gently press the edges down to mold the bread to the shape of the eggs. Cut the crust. Then, slice the sandwich to reveal the halved eggs in the center. Then, repeat. A pillowy soft sandwich with a rich, creamy, flavor-packed egg salad filling. This Japanese 7-Eleven egg salad sandwich is a classic that's very popular in Japan. Very filling, yet very simple to make. If there's beauty in simplicity, then this Japanese egg salad sandwich is a beautiful thing. This Japanese egg sandwich has been making rounds in the US, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or lunch. Sharing this Japanese egg sandwich with good friends. Say hi to Angela S. Mac. She's a travel vlogger. The sharing of food has always been part of the human story. With good friends and good food on the board, we may well ask, when shall we live if not now? The art of eating. Food is one of the most powerful connective tools we have. We build our bonds with friends and family over meals. Even when we're cooking and eating alone, food still connects us to the world. And of course, food doesn't just bring back memories, it creates them too. A grateful heart is a happy heart. Gratefulness is all about appreciating the good things in our lives. Starting our day by thinking about all the things we have to be grateful for is a great way to set the tone. Practicing gratefulness makes us focus on all the good and pleasant things in our lives, and that, in turn, improves our overall happiness, while also attracting more light into our lives. There are so many beautiful reasons to be grateful. The gift of life and the gift of friendship that I have received. Woohoo! Life is good! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!